Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Security Oman channel. If you're watching that video on first time, please subscribe in that channel and click on the bell icon to get all news about that. So in this video I'm gonna explain how to download and install the Kali Linux in VisualBox without any issues, without any problems, easy and fast. First of all, you have to download the VisualBox from that link. I'm gonna put all the links down in the description. You have to download the VisualBox and choose your system from here. If you use the Mac OS or Windows or whatever, just download it from here. After you download the VisualBox, download with VisualBox the extension pack from here to get support USB and everything's be allowed to use in that VisualBox in that system. After you download that two from here, go to the link, second link, and download the Kali Linux. When you click the link, you will find page like this, and you have to click Kali Linux VisualBox image, and you have to choose which your system, 64-bit or 32-bit. If you want to download it by the torrent from here, and if you want to download it direct, click here. Okay, after you download that three things, you will find like that. That's three. First, you have to install the VisualBox. It's easy. By click on the VisualBox here, you will click on the next, and the VisualBox will be installed. I'm already installed, so I'm gonna close it. Okay. After you install the VisualBox, you have to install the extension. Click on the extension. You will find like that in the green icons. Okay, you will the VisualBox will be start, and you will see it like this, and here you will see install. Click on the install and it will install automatically without anything. Already installed and I don't want to install it again. Okay, and the third things we coming to install the Kali Linux on the VisualBox. Click on the Kali Linux like that, and you will get like that. Don't touch anything here, just click on the import. Click on the import and the Kali will be installed. All the tools, everything, you don't have to install anything, just click the import. And there we gonna edit some settings. Click, you will get like that Kali Linux 2019.1. Click on it and go to the settings. Okay, and go to the system, put it the RAM, and put it here in 2 GB, 2048 MB. It's the maximum 2 GB, and the 1 GB minimum. It's 1 GB, it's enough, but the 2 GB it's maximum, as you like. It's depend on your RAM computer. And we'll go to here to the processor. One, it's enough, but the maximum you have to put it in 2. It's depend actually the same on your processor. And that's about the processor and systems here. And about the display, you have it's depend on your screen, on your monitor. It's if it's big or small, you have to adjust from here. I'm gonna show you what's the display for. And the network, you have to come here on network and choose from here the NAT network. After you choose the NAT network, and here you have to choose network. And some people, they got nothing here. I'm gonna show you how to do like that. Okay, go to the file preferences and network. You have to edit the NAT network from here. Click on this icon, and you if you see here we come NAT network. I already installed one, so I'm gonna delete that and click OK. After that, go to the settings and the network again. You will see the NAT network here, and choose that one and press OK. That's it to connect the internet to the Kali Linux without any problems. Okay, so now we will start the Kali Linux machine. Click the start. And you will got like that. You have to write the username, it's root, and the password, it's the opposite, TOOR, tour, and click on sign in. And this is the Kali Linux without any problems, as you can see here. The display, it's about like that. If you want to more focus or more big, just increase the display, and if you want more small, increase decrease the display. And thank you for watching that video.